back to my channel, you guys. This is Sydney from, well, we're not the Lazy Naturals Club anymore, but I am Sydney. I wanted to try something new, like bring something fresh to my channel. So this is just like the first of many videos like this, because I just want to like switch it up a little bit, because I'm not just doing hair. Like, I'm never just about hair. And then yeah, so I hope that y'all enjoy this video. And okay. So let me tell y'all about these clothes. So first of all, as far as shipping, I ordered them both on the same day. Blushmark took about a week for about 10 items, and SheIn took about 2 weeks to get all of my items. Blushmark came on Friday, and I believe SheIn came that next Friday. So Blushmark ships a lot faster than SheIn, but I also heard that SheIn is like based overseas, so that's probably why. And I also noticed that when I order from SheIn, they actually get shipped here. So I think that's why, like, they get put in the airplane to get here. So I think that's why the shipping takes so long. As far as the quality for both of these clothes, I feel like the shirts, it can be a hit or miss, because in the pink shirt you saw, it's a better quality, but in this green shirt I'm about to show you, there was the seams. I didn't really like the seams. The shirt was just like a stretchy type shirt, and it was a little bit see-through, and right here you can see that there was thread hanging off of my collar and such. So the shirts aren't my favorite, but I feel like SheIn has the better bottoms. They have a lot of good jeans, I feel like. Well, the ones that I ordered some pants, and I also ordered those khaki pants, and I really love those. And then I did order a skirt from Blushmark. I feel like they have better skirts from the one that I ordered compared to the ones that I ordered from SheIn. Like those corduroy ones, I did not really care for. Now, my favorite items out of all of this is definitely this skirt right here and the shirt that goes with it. Both of those shirts actually are my favorite. I also love the pink shirt. And also at the end of the video, you'll see all of my SheIn pants fit really well, and they felt really well. So I appreciate that in a brand, I guess. But I feel like as far as sizing goes, I ordered a small or extra small in all of these clothes, but I would have ordered extra small on everything, just because sometimes they can run a little bit big, or because of the quality of the clothes, they don't fit right in some areas. Like these pants right here, they came up all the way, like, not even joking, they were at my rib cage, like my sternum almost. So sometimes the quality is just a little bit weird, it's a little bit wonky, but overall, these pants right here were definitely my favorite. Like, they fit really well. I didn't expect them to fit that well, and they were honestly cute and comfortable. These pants right here are definitely the khaki ones I was talking about, and they are my favorite so far. Well, I guess all of them are my favorite. As you can see, I liked all of the pants I got from SheIn. So I said shipping, quality, also the sizing. I think the last thing is probably just knowing that these clothes, they are pretty cheap. You can get them for very cheap, so don't expect a whole lot. Always read the reviews. That's very important. Always read the reviews and size down if you think you need to, because you might not be able to fit the next size up because it's so weird a little bit. But yeah, overall, I really enjoyed doing this type of video. So y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all want me to record more videos like this, or what else y'all like to see from my YouTube this year. And yeah, so thanks for all the support, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed that haul, that little review I'm doing for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I just asked that you comment down below for more videos that you might want to see from me. Of course, subscribe, like, share with your friends. But yeah, I really like these clothes overall. I just think that you pay for what you get. So some of the quality, for the most part, the quality is pretty good. It's just like little things that I noticed about the clothes that I would prefer them to be a little bit different, but most of these clothes, for the exception of the pants, they're like $5 to $10. The pants are like 15 to 20. So like I said, you pay for what you get, and yeah. What? I hope y'all enjoyed this. I want to do it again. This was really fun. It was cute. So anyways, I enjoyed this. I hope that y'all do too. So just like I said, comment, leave me a little note down below. Everything will be in the description box, and I'll see y'all in my next video.